Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, lived a young girl named Lily. She had a special friend, a talking wind named Storm. Storm was not like the ordinary wind, he could talk and play. One sunny morning, Storm came to visit Lily. "Lily, my dear," he said, "today is going to be a whimsical windy day." Lily got excited. She loved whimsical windy days. They were days filled with laughter, fun, and adventure. "I can't wait, Storm," she exclaimed. Storm giggled. "Let's go then." He picked Lily up in his arms and they danced through the fields, their laughter echoing across the town. They reached the park and saw a kite stuck in a tree. "Oh no," Lily said. Storm whistled and the kite came free, soaring high into the sky. Next, they played a game of hide and seek with the clouds. Storm blew them around, making them hide and reappear in different shapes and sizes. Lily laughed as she tried to guess which cloud was hiding. As the day ended, they sat on a bench, watching the sunset. "You know, Lily," Storm said, "a whimsical windy day is not just about fun, it's about cherishing every moment." Lily looked at Storm, her eyes wide with understanding. "Yes, Storm, every moment is precious," she said, hugging her friend tightly. That night, as Lily went to sleep, she felt grateful for the whimsical windy day. She knew that no matter what tomorrow brought, she would cherish every moment, just like Storm taught her. And so, they lived their days, cherishing the little moments, and making every day a whimsical windy day. The end.